The title bar and menu are located above your Harmony visual workspace. Exploring the title bar. Hover text can be seen when you hover over an icon in the title bar. The title bar contains all windows that can be open and utilized. When a window is open, the icon is colored. When a window is closed, the icon is grayed out. The tag library is used to access Mood TV and music tags, as well as create unique tags for branded content. The media library window is open by default. It is used to upload and store all content. The playlist library window is used to create playlists. The playlist editor window is used in conjunction with the playlist library to add content to a playlist. The channel library window is open by default. It lists all the available channels you can schedule content on. The channel editor window is open by default. It is used in conjunction with the channel library to schedule content. The properties window is open by default. It is used to set durations and start and end dates to an individual asset. The design library window is used to split a TV screen into multiple zones to display multiple assets on the screen at once. The Upload Manager window is used to review the status of assets currently being uploaded to the Media Library window. The Locations window is used to identify devices associated with a channel and allow or deny content to a particular location or group of locations. Exploring the menu. The menu contains various actionable items. Restore default workspace reverts your window workspace to the default workspace containing Media Library, Properties, Channel Library, and Channel Editor. Update user account information allows you to change basic user account information. Change password permits you to change your password. Log off logs you out of Harmony.